Last class I told question number 2 is little bit not difficult, little bit confusing, so I will do it. I told you, right? Okay. Now read the question number 2. That the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Meaning there are 40 engineers. Their workplace means their company and the place where they are staying. The distance between their company and their house is given. For example, one engineer house is only 5 kilometers from the office. Another engineer 3 kilometers. Another 10 kilometers. Another 20. Another 25. Like that it goes. Okay. Now what they are asking us to do is construct a grouped frequency distribution table with class size 5 given 0 to 5. we are going to group John frequency distribution. Class 0 to 5. Look at the question, all of you. 0 to 5, inside the bracket 5 not included, means this 5 will not be included, it will be go to the next. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Maximum is 32 kilometers, so you can go up to 35. 30 to 35. Tally mark. Okay, now let us go put it by the question to program. Okay, now how to plot 0 to 5. Keep in mind 5 is not included, means you can go up to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only you can go. 5 cannot be included here. First, okay, how to put the previous question was quite easy, so we did very easily. This is a little difficult, so better you round it with pencil, with the help of pencil. 5. Where the 5 will come? Not here, right? Upper limit cannot be, lower limit 5. So 1, then 3, round it. 3 will be where? 0 to 5, right? Then 10. 10 where it will be? Not upper limit, lower limit. 20. Again, not upper limit, lower limit. 25. Not lower limit. 11. 11 where will come? 10 to 15. Next we come 13. 13 will be 10 to 15. Next we come 7. 7 will be 5 to 10. Next 12. Where it will be 12? 12 will be 10 to 15. Next 31. 31 will be 30 to 35. Oh, one round over. Now I think we will go like this. 19. 19 will be 15 to 20. 7. 7, 5 to 10. 12. 15 to 10 to 15. But 1, 2, 3, 4 already. So 5 cross. Okay. Next 10. 10 will be a lower limit. Little gap. 9. 5 to 10. 14. 14 will be 10 to 15. Next 12. 12 will be 10 to 15. 7. 5 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 will be next. 2. 0 to 5. Right? Next 17. 10, 17 will be 15 to 20. Next 8. 8 will be how much? 8, 5 to 10. Little gap. 9. Again same place. Little gap. Next 18. 18 will be 18 will be 15 to 20. 3. 5 to 10. 6. 5. Sorry, 5 not 5. 0 to 5. Now 5 to 10. Next how much? 11. 10 to 15. 5 to 10. 15 to 20. 32. 30 and 30 to 35. Next 12. 12 will be 10 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4 already. So cross. 15 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cross. Next how much? 17. 15 to 20. Little gap. Next 15. Again 15 to 20. 7. 5 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next 16. 16 will be 15 to 20. 18. 18 will be again 15 to 20. 6. That is 5 to 10. Gap. Next 2. 0 to 5. 3. Again 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross. Next how much? 12. Oh. 10 to 15. Okay. Now 5. 5, 10, 11. 5, 10, 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 1. Next again, how much? 1. Then 2. Total how many? There are 40 engineers, right? So you must get 40 in your answers. Otherwise it's wrong. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 18 plus 20. 18 plus 2, 20. 0, 2 remainder, 3, 4. So your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Answer is correct, man. Hello. Okay. So answer is over. All of you completed. Same question, same model. I am going to give a lot of homework because all the questions are same model. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to 6 you are going to do as a homework. Keep in mind because all are same model. Nothing is different. Just you have to be very careful. Okay. It may be looks like easy, but actually it is not easy. Easy, but you will make mistakes. Okay. So you have to be very careful. Careful to do up to question number 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 homework. The same model you can do at home. Okay. Okay, children. See you all.